Social media marketing for real estate agent. Why you need to differentiate yourself in today's real estate market? What are the tips and tricks how to scale your real estate business as a social media expert? In today's video, we are going to answer all those questions for you. Hello friends, my name is Mandeep Dhesi. Don't forget to enter your information in the links given in the description if you want to be part of our real estate team. So the first and the foremost thing is we need to understand why social media is so important. Why everybody all of a sudden is talking about that. During the COVID times, a lot of people were sitting at home. Everybody was on their phone. As of the latest statistic, there are billion of people which are available online. This is what a free business for each and every one of us. As per one of the study done, an average person spends 2.5 hours on these social media platforms. So this means a lot of opportunity. We being as a real estate agent to establish ourselves as a personal brand, build customer relationship and to boost our real estate business. So that's very important to be on all those social platforms. But there are so many platforms available. What is the right platform where I should focus on? You need to understand what type of audience you're trying to hit. If you're working with Gen Z generation, this means that all those youngsters, they are on what? They are on Instagram Reels, they're on Facebook Reels, they are on TikTok. As per the latest stats from TikTok, there are more than 1 billion active users, where 43% of the users are between the age of 18 to 24. So you need to understand those stats when you're creating your content. So the point is what type of audience you're trying to market your content to. Is it like a first-time home buyers, or if it's a baby boomers, they are very popular on Facebook. So your content should be evergreen, lying on the Facebook. So the strategy is you need to be on all those platforms, but you need to focus on those priority platform which is as per your audience and as per your product need. Next is you need to start with a plan. Basically, creating all those accounts on those social platform is free of cost. You can create your Facebook business page, your TikTok, Instagram account without paying any fee. So this is a free opportunity for us. But the point is you need, what is your marketing strategy? What is your content publishing strategy? You need to have a plan for that. That's what we do with our team. We have a 90-day social media plan where we talk about what should be our Instagram posting strategy based on day-to-day basis, because those small actions will result in achieving your bigger goals and get the real estate business going. For example, your plan to start with social platform is you need to be consistent on all the platforms. So to start with, your profile picture, your profile description, the keywords, the type of work you're doing need to be consistent on all those platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or anyone. So whenever the user come to all those platforms, they see the same brand, same real estate person doing the same type of business, and it builds your credibility. Next important point is your posting strategy and consistency. So social media is basically a social relationship building platform where you are continuously adding values to your client and strengthening your relationship as a knowledge-based broker in the real estate industry. So the same happens when you are producing your content. It need to be consistent and it should be presented in such a manner that you are adding value to your client. So the three strategy here are, they need to be time sensitive, in the sense they should follow what are the trends available in the market. For example, you go to the reels of Instagram, take what all the trends are there and repackage your real estate content based on that trend. So it's a double advantage. One, you are a part of a trending thing. Other, you are educating people. Another part of the content is which is called evergreen content, where you are creating, for example, a checklist for first-time home buyers, seller's guide, what are the tips, how to maintain your grass in summers, all those pro tips which will help you and position yourself as an expert in your industry. So the end is you need to incorporate your content in a form of storytelling where it's engaging, it's informative, it's entertaining, and you are building your brand as a real estate expert. Thanks again. Thanks for watching our another wonderful video. Don't forget to put your comments, and the links are given in the description if you are interested to know more about our growing team. Thank you.